is the third brake light flasher for the Zero. The idea is that it'll flash the third brake light 3 or 4 times to get the attention of drivers who are behind you, and then gives you a 10-second lockout where it won't do it again. So let's go for the first one. And then if we touch it again, it's solid. Then if we wait 10 seconds, oops, there we go. Alright, so now this is finished up. I've crimped on a couple of connectors so that I can just pop it in the middle of my brake light, basically as an intercept. This exposed wire here is for programming if I need to do so later.
The blinker module works, it looks okay. I think I'm going to reconfigure it to do 6 blinks instead of 4 to make it a little bit more visible, but otherwise it works and it's great. It's just a little package that I can plug in, plug out if I need to.